In this video, I will show you how you can backup and import content from one Google Blogger site to another Google Blogger site. So let's begin the video process. Once we sign into Google Blogger site, this is the dashboard we enter. We are now in the Infomedia Tutorials Blogger site, which has lots of posts. So first, we need to backup the posts in this Infomedia Blogger site. To do that, we need to click Settings tab in the left-hand side of the page. And next, in Settings page, we need to go to Manage Blog section. We have the Backup Content option. We need to click the Backup Content tab. And next, we need to download the content backup from the site to the computer. Next, we need to head to Digital Techie Blogger site to import the backup. You can see we have only one blog post in this Blogger site. So we need to click Settings tab here. And again we need to scroll down to Manage Blog section. And here, we need to click Import Content. And again in the pop-up window, we need to click Import and select the backed up Blogger site from computer. Now, we can refresh the Blogger site and confirm the importing of Blogger posts. And done importing the Blogger content. With this, we have come to the end of this video tutorial. Please subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon to get updates when new content is added.